Hello friends, I am Ankit and welcome to my channel. I am here with my weekly predictions and analysis for crude oil and natural gas. Last week, as I had shared that beyond 8,000 levels, crude oil will definitely head towards 8,400. This is in cents. You can convert this in dollars. So $84 per barrel it might try to achieve. And for natural gas, beyond 4,000 levels, it might hit 4,500. Both the targets achieved successfully. In fact, crude oil tried to breach 8,400, failed to do so, closed the week at high at around 8,370, and natural gas closed with a drop at around 4,115 levels. Now what is going to happen next week? We are going to look with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. At the end of every analysis, I am going to give you the trading levels, so do watch till the end. Also, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. And those who are new to the channel, I share my daily and weekly analysis for global indices of US, Europe and India markets, and for gold, silver and crude oil and natural gas as well. So daily 2 videos and weekend videos for weekly prediction is always there. So press the bell icon, stay tuned with the latest analysis. Let's start the analysis with crude oil first. And if you look at the crude oil charts, this is the weekly charts for crude oil. You can clearly see that here it is trying to form this expanding triangle. So now if it breaks this zone at 85, it might try to go till towards 9,000 or 9,100 levels. However, now let's take a look at the closer period. If you look at this, this is the fourth this was the time when it has tried to consolidate. After this is the fourth consecutive week for a rally, and in fact this week it ended with a flat top. So also we must not forget this is the 85 level where it is showing the previous high and reversal. Since then it is reversed significantly till towards 65. Now probably this time also it might try to achieve 8,500 levels, and from there if it tries to break, if it fails to go past 8,500 and tries to break the next support level, it might or it can come back till towards 8,000 levels once again, close to 8040. And if 8040 is taken, then may head towards 7950 levels. So the bottom of for this week lies at around 7950, 8040 levels. If it breaks this channel, then definitely it can break strongly till towards 7500 levels. However, if it breaks past 8500 and specifically I will say 8550, if it breaks past, it can try to achieve, or it might try to achieve the high at 9,000 levels. Look at the previous candles, all the candles, couple of weekly candles, you can see there was a wick available. This time it is a flat opening, flat closing, and probably now it might open flat and then try to take a rise followed with a drop till towards 79 or 8,000 levels. So hence till the time it remains below 8550, you can definitely try to take a shot at 8550 and expect it to drop till towards 8,000 levels by the end of the week. Or if it breaks 8550, definitely you have to close your shorts and go long, and you can expect it to head towards 9,000 levels. Now this is on the weekly charts. Let's have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts you can see that after this consolidation low levels, now it has taken its base at around 8150 levels, and with the base at 8150 it is try to take a good rise. Now this is the first candle after this base, hence probably we might see a second candle also which might take it towards 8500, and then the third candle can also appear which might take it towards 8600, and from there a probable drop can be expected till towards 8200 levels on the daily charts. But also one must not forget, see, it has taken couple of bases previously. The previous base was available at around 7900 levels, and now the base is available at around 8150 levels. So breaking this zone successfully, if 8150 is taken, it might try to come back again till towards 7900 levels. So this is what we can see on the daily charts. Also look at this, it is right now trading in this upward trending channel. You can clearly see the high for this channel is right now available at around 8500, 8550, and then with the days passing for the week, it can in fact go past 8600 plus levels. So a probable second green candle has to be there, which might take it towards 8500 level. How it behaves at 8500, 8550 is of prime importance. Till in fact till 8600 is of prime importance. If it tries to break from 8600, 8550 levels, probably it might or it can take the next support at 8150, 8200 levels. Beyond 8600, definitely nobody will stop it to rise till 9000 levels, and in fact 9050 can be achieved. So this is on the daily charts. Let's have a look at the monthly charts. On the monthly charts, the candle is green, and see, this is the support right now at around 8000 is of importance. Rather, I will say 7950 is of importance. Breaking this, only we can expect it to drop significantly. Else, it might try to achieve higher highs at around this channel. The high of this channel lies at around, you can see, it can achieve 9050 levels before trying to drop and close the month at around 8300 or 8200 levels. So a probable greenish week can be expected. If it goes past 8550, 8600, definitely it will try to head till towards 9000 levels, and by the month end we can see a little drop. So for next couple of weeks, in fact, maybe we can see it rising and then taking a drop towards end of the month till towards 8400, 8500 zone once again. Also look at the size of the candle. The previous candle with a tail available almost rose from 6400, 6300 to 7600, almost 1300 points. From here 7500 to 9000 can be expected, but yes, it has to go past this zone at 8600 first. If it goes past 8600, nobody will stop it to rise till towards 9050 levels. So take your positions accordingly. Now we have got couple of key levels. Now let's have a look at the indicators on oil on the daily charts. See, on the daily charts you will find that trading above the 20-50-100 moving average, oil is right now in a bullish territory, almost trading out of the Bollinger Bands, and hence probably it has to at least see, if it breaks past this zone at 8400, then 8550 till this zone, if it doesn't reverse back, it will fly away. However, a probable reversal can be expected, where the next support level at around 8150 and then 8000 levels can be seen, and from there again it might try to reverse a bit. A probable movement can be seen. The DPO is in extremely bullish, extremely buy zone. The stochastic is overbought, and see, still not the crossover. We cannot see that there is a crossover on the buy and sell zone, and the variance is not crossing over, and hence a probable, if it breaks strongly, then only we can expect that the stochastic might try to cool down. But yes, it has to cool down. However, in previous times we have seen it sustaining the overbought levels for a little long. But considering this also, the rise may not be may not sustain for a little long. It has to break a little for the next movement or for the next rally on the upside. And if you look at the MACD, lines are divergent now, and but yes, you can see how beautiful it is, trying to run parallel and giving it a bullish momentum. The RSI, interestingly, on oil is overbought. So yes, on the daily charts, the stochastic, the RSI, and the continual momentum for oil has given it a overbought position, but it can sustain it a bit. First try to achieve 8500, 8600 level. If it breaks past 8600, definitely it will head towards 9000, 9050 levels. Else it might trade between 8550 to 8150 levels for this week, and then take a rally next week. This is one probability which can be expected. So considering this, let me jump to the levels directly. Now considering all this, let's have a look at the levels to trade for. If you see it rising beyond 8412, you can take a long for 8460, 8500. Now till here, still it can achieve a double top at 8500, and try to take a drop from there, achieving the double top till towards 8150 possibly, and in fact can head towards 8000 levels also. Also, if it rises past 8500, the next target is 8580. Now if it breaks past 8580, nobody will stop it till 8800 and 9050 levels. However, I expect that probably it might see a reversal somewhere here from 8500 to 8580 levels, and from this zone it might try to come back again till towards on the downside. Yes, below 8250, you can again expect it to land at 8150, the next support, and below 8150 the next support is directly at 7950 levels. So yes, breaking this zone between 8250, I think at 8500, 8580 it may try to take a drop and then close the week at around 8150, and or else it might see a drop earlier at till 8150, or in fact can go below and then take a rise towards the end of the week probably. But yes, it might try to contain within this zone between 7950 or 8150 to 8580, 8580 levels. Now on the downside, if 7950 is taken, 7800 and then 7640 levels can be seen. Below that it will directly land towards 7500 levels and can trade below. However, I think a probable zone for it till towards 8500, I think it may form a double top and from there try to take a drop till towards 8150 levels, or else uh, so I think a range bound movement can be expected in oil, and if it breaks out beyond 8580 levels, definitely you can remain long for 8800 and 9050 levels probably can be seen this week itself. So take your positions accordingly. If any breakout beyond 8580 will definitely be a good indication that you can remain long for the rest of the week on crude oil. So take your positions accordingly. Now let's move towards natural gas. Now see the charts of the natural gas on the daily I had told you that natural gas is trading in this box. Now it has given a breakout, and I had told very specifically after this breakout is done, it will directly lend till towards 4500. That is what exactly has happened. It broke out of this 4050. That is the level I had given to go long at, and then specifically it has achieved this zone at 4500. Now also, one must observe that the lows are well contained, and hence only breakdown below 3950 will only be a good indication that it is trying to come back again till towards 3600 levels. Else from here, if it goes past again 4200, if it takes or rises beyond 4200, it might try to head again till towards 4450, 4440 levels, where beyond that if it rises, definitely we can expect it to head towards 4775 levels, and in fact can trade well beyond that. So this is on the daily charts. Now let's have a look at the weekly charts. On the weekly charts, you can find that it has given a breakout. Out of this consolidation, it has tried to give a breakout. Now also one must observe that it is still trading in this downward trending channel, so may continue to rise. It can open flat, or if it opens and goes beyond 4200, 4200 zone, definitely it can expect or it can achieve 4500 once again. And on the downside, any break below 3900 levels will take it towards 3500 once again. So 3900 to 4200, we have to be very cautious in between this zone. Any rise beyond 4200 will definitely take it towards 4400, 4500, and any cross beyond 4600 will take it till towards this zone at 48, 4900, and beyond that sky is the limit. It can continue to rise. We can find a big green candle also on the cards. So now also let's have a look at the monthly charts. On the monthly chart, the candle is green, and any break beyond 3500 will only take it towards downside on the 3000 levels, and this is going to be fourth consecutive level. Also one must observe that it has seen a double top almost on the monthly charts, and also it has opened below this zone. So any break beyond 3600 will be a very good level to go short on natural gas, and you can expect it to drop significantly till towards 3200 levels. So any drop below 3900, it will drop to 3600. Any drop below 3600, definitely you can remain short and you can expect 3200 levels. On the flip side, any rise beyond 4200, it will again head towards 4450 and 4550 levels. So now let's have a look at the indicators on the net gas. Now see the charts for net gas, you will find that there is a resistance available till 4200. Once 4200 is taken, it will fly off once again till towards 4400 and then further levels. On the downside, breaking this zone at for 4000 and 3900, it can break significantly. That is what I had said, it can break significantly towards 3600. So charts and the indicators indicating the same thing. The DPO is in buy zone. The stochastic is comfortable, neither bullish, neither bearish. The MACD lines are trying to converge, and if they cross over, we may see a good fall. And that is what will it take for them to cross over? Any drop below 3900 will try to make them cross over, and probably beyond that 3600, and then it will fall significantly till towards 3200 and 3000 levels in the month of January itself. And look at the RSI is comfortable level. So considering this, let me jump to the trading levels directly. Now if you see it rising beyond any rise beyond 4180 levels, you can go long on net gas and expect a target of the nearest target at 4250, 4375 and then 4450. After that 4550 can be seen. Beyond that, sky is the limit. It will fly towards 4800 and plus levels. However, on the flip side, breaking below 3900, now this is the level you have to look out for. If it breaks 3900, definitely it will break till towards 3640, and if it breaks 3640, it will head towards 3500, the very strong support level, and below 3500 I will expect it to directly land to 3200 and 3000 levels. So you have to take your positions accordingly. The levels are few of the levels are overbought, and hence 3900, if it breaks, you can take a definite short. On the flip side, beyond 4200, 180 levels, it might try to rise till towards 4250, 4375 and plus levels, and can in fact reverse from there. That is another possibility which exists on natural gas. So you can take your positions accordingly. Reach out to me for any of your trading or trading related queries. My Telegram ID and email IDs are mentioned in the description. The next batch is going to start soon, and you can be part of this batch, and definitely you can benefit from the strategies I teach, and specifically on how to read the charts and predict the moves. You can definitely learn from it. So reach out to me for training or trading related queries. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Join the Telegram channel. Definitely it will help you in your trading decisions. Thank you.